If you've been a short-season gardener for any length of time, you know how important weather is to a vegetable garden. Like me, you are probably constantly checking weather apps and measuring weather data. In this sponsored video, I review a weather station that Sainlogic says gives the world's most advanced AI-driven weather forecast for the next 24 hours and 7 days. This outdoor sensor can send data and alarms not only to an indoor display, but also to an app on your phone, and even help in forecasting the local weather. Hello, this is Stephen from Short Season Garden, and I offer tips and tricks for gardening in any climate, but especially for short seasons like here in Zone 3B, Zone 4A in Eastern Canada. So subscribe to my channel, give my video a thumbs up and a comment, click the notification bell, and you can check me out on Instagram or Facebook at Short Season Garden. The Sainlogic Smart Weather Station SA1 comes complete with a smart hygrometer thermometer outdoor sensor, a power cord, complete instruction manuals, and an 8.5-inch color LCD display. The outdoor sensor takes 3 AAA cells and should be installed under an eave on the north side of a building for minimum solar interference. The indoor display also holds 3 AAA cells, but they should only be used as backup. You should plug the unit in whenever possible. Once both units are powered up, hold the channel button for 3 seconds to allow the display to find the outdoor sensor and display its data. After the display and sensor are connected, you need to install the Weather Seed app on your phone. The cardboard box the station comes in has 2 QR codes, one for iOS and one for Android, that make this process easy. Once you have registered your Weather Seed account, you will want to connect to your Wi-Fi router. The pictorial instructions in the quick setup guide are a bit small and confusing for an old fogey like me, but I'm sure a younger person would have no problem. Press and hold the max-min key on the side of the display for 3 seconds. Select Add Device on the app and choose your weather station model. Type in a device name and location. You will then be asked to scan the QR code on the back of the indoor console and then enter your router password. It is important to note that the display console only supports 2.4 GHz router signals. The large LCD display on the indoor unit gives you a quick overview of both indoor and outdoor temperatures and humidity, both current and the min and max for the day, as well as atmospheric pressure, dew point, moon phase, and a pictorial weather forecast. Once connected, the indoor display conveniently grabs the date and time from your Wi-Fi, but you will still want to select the format desired for each display item. The unit has 2 alarm clock settings, as well as allowing you to set both a high and low alarm for indoor and outdoor temperatures and humidity levels, absolute and relative pressure, dew point, or feels like temperature. For some reason, the unit comes with high and low alarms preset for nearly everything, which I found a bit annoying, but they can be easily disabled. The feature that I really like is the ability to view all the data on my phone, whether I'm at home or work or on vacation. Any data that can be alarmed on the console can also be set to alarm on your phone, either in the app, by email, or both. Perhaps the most significant function of the weather station is the ability to connect it directly to wonderground.com and submit weather data directly from your personal weather station, helping to provide hyper-local weather forecasts. Whether you want to monitor the temperature and humidity in your house, high tunnel, or greenhouse, or are concerned about outdoor changes in atmospheric pressure, dew point, or temperature fluctuation, the Sainlogic SA1 weather station, together with the Weather Seed app, can provide you peace of mind anywhere you have internet access. You can check out the Amazon link to this weather station below, as well as links to Sainlogic's social media sites. Before you go, feel free to comment on the video, give it a thumbs up, and make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and check out some of my other videos on short season garden.